Hello everyone, welcome to our 129 canteen fair. I'm Jane. I'm from Vesco Machine Tool Limited. Today I will introduce you our factory workshop. This is our factory workshop. It is very big, and you can see. Now let's go into the workshop. Okay, here is the raw material area. We have a lot of raw material here. Normally we will pre-store our raw material about 120% more than the orders in the future 2 or 3 months. And our material is normally Q235, Q345 and 45 steels. These are very hard steels. And okay, now let's go inside. And this is, you can see that this is the blanking area. We have very big equipment in the blanking area. This is called plasma cutting machine. We have flame cutting machine. You can see that our plasma cutting machine is very big. The largest cutting machine can cut about 10 meters long and 5 meters wide steels. So that ensures that we can process very large parts, and the process time will be very short. Okay, on this side you can see this is our welding area. You can see our engineer is welding the machine. Our welding machine, we have electronic welding machine and a flip welding machine. Now that is electronic welding machine which our workers is using. We have about 20 welders, and they are very professional. They can finish about 100 sets of machine body welding every day. Okay, now let's go on. Our welders are very professional. They have about more than 10 years experience. So our welding process can be acted very smoothly and very effectively. That is very important for the machine body, for the stable of the machine body. I think you know that. Okay, now let's go inside the factory. You can see this is the demo area of our machine. Later we will return and I will introduce you this area. Okay. Now let's go inside to see our main processing machine. It is great. Our main processing machine is the CNC boring and milling machine. Okay, now let's go inside. You can see that white large machine is our CNC boring and milling machine. Only few manufacturers have this big machine because its cost is very high, and it is used for processing large press machine. You see that this press machine body is very large. It is more than 40 tons, and now Now the process milling and boring processing machine is processing this press machine body, and it can finish milling and boring work. Now let's come near to this machine. Okay, now you can see that our worker, only one worker can finish this big product because this machine is CNC, it's automatic. Now it is acting the boring work. And here you can see the surface of the hull is very smooth. That is also finished by this process machine. This is called milling work. The precision of our milling machine is very, very high. So that ensures that the surface and the level of our machine is very flat. It's very flat. It's quite flat. So it can be more stable. It can be combined better together with other parts. So this process machine is quite great. And here you can see here, it is also boring and milling machine. It is small. It is used to process small press machine body. Yes, you can see here, the surface is very, very smooth, very smooth and quite flat. So that ensures the levelability of the machine body. Okay, let's go inside. The workers are drilling on the machine. No, they are milling on the milling on the machine. So through these two process machine, you can see that our product is quite wide, and we can produce both large press machine and small press machine. Okay, now let's see the very important area. This is the heat treatment area. This is our outstanding advantage. Why I see like this? I'm very proud of this because our factory have heat treatment area. You know that only few factories equipped with this heat treatment area, but we have. So I'm very proud. And you know that this area is so important to our press machine. It can heat treatment process can highly improve the service life of the press machine, and can improve the stability. Okay, now this side is our drilling machine. We have a lot of drilling machine. Okay, this is for drilling walls of big parts. Yes, this parts, yeah, this hole is finished by this drilling machine. Also, this side is our lathes, electric lathes. Our factory is equipped with a lot of electric lathes from 2 meters long, 6 meters long, 3 meters long, and up to 10 meters long. The 10 meters long lathes is used for process long shaft. Long shaft, yes, long. Yes, you can see that the shaft surface is very, very smooth. You can even see your face on it. Okay, now let's go inside. Here is our yes, electronic lace machine. And okay, this side, you can see this side. This is a small drilling machine and small milling machine for process small parts. We can the parts we can process is from big body to small parts. We can all produce them and process them. You can see that these parts are processed very well. It's very smooth. Okay. So all the parts are produced by ourselves. That will mostly lower the cost. So that's why our price competitive is very, very high. Okay, now let's go inside. This two white equipment is the process center. This process center is high ability. It can process very, very high precision parts. You can see the inside. Yes, it is automatic. It is CNC. It is CNC. Yes, you can see that this part is processed by this machine. It is very, very smooth. Okay, now let's go this side. This process center is high technology. It can make the parts with high precision. And also the cost of this machine is very high, and a few manufacturers have this machine. Okay, now let's go that side. You can see that is our drilling machine, rocker drilling machine. Also for drilling holes. With this side. Coming here, you can see the spare parts semi-production warehouse. Our semi-production warehouse is very near to our assembly area, so it can ensure that we can quickly assemble the machine with the parts, and it is easy to transport the parts to our assembly area. Okay, now we come to our assembly area. I want to introduce you our assembly area specially. It is because our engineers are so professional. It is very, very important to the press machine. Okay, now let's come to this side. Okay, can you turn to this side? Okay, thank you. That is primer body. Our press machine body is primer red painting to protect the machine. Then let's come to this. Let's come here. You can see this is the slider. The slider and the bottom of the work plate. This is upper upper work plate. This is the slider, and the sleeve of the shaft is a whole body. It is integral. This is very important. the integral design ensures the stability of the machine body, of the press machine. It is highly improved the precision when the machine is working. Okay, now let's go this side. These are the parts of the press machine. This one is a connect bar. You can see that our connect bar is equipped with the copper bearing seat. The copper bearing seat is already installed on the hull of the connect bar. It is pre-installed before assembly. This can highly improve the precision when the press machine is working. Okay, now let's come to the example of our press machine. I will introduce you the example procedure of our press machine. Okay, now let's go back side. At first, we will install the shaft. Now you cannot see the shaft here. At first, we will install the shaft. It is inside. Okay, this one is the shaft. Our shaft material is 42 CRMO material. This material is treated by high temperature, and so it ensures the harness, ensures the stability of our shaft. The shaft is very important to this machine. Okay, after installation of the shaft, we will install the gear. Install the gear, the clutch, and the the belt pulley and the motor. The belt pulley and the motor and the gear are the power source of the machine. The power source, you know that the gear and the motor and the belt pulley must be assembled to the best state to ensure that the power source can supply the power quite smoothly. That requires high ability for our engineer. And our engineer, our assembly engineer, you see they are there, they have more than 10 years experience in assembling. Especially the gear set installation. You can see this, the gear set. Our gear set is milled by Neo company, by Neo machine from Germany. You know, the milled ability in Germany is the best in the world. So the bite, the occlusive of our gear is quite well, and the installation of the gear set requires has very high requirement for the assembly engineer, and our assembly engineer can finish the assemble work for the gear very well. You have to leave a little gap, very little gap, some gap for the gear set, and you have to leave a gap for the belt pulley, so that they can bite very well. They can come by very well, so that ensure the smoothly of the whole working of the gear set and belt pulley and the motor together. So that is why it is very important whether your assembly engineer is professional. And our engineer is so professional. They can finish the work quite good. And now, after finishing the gear, we will install the connect bar and the connect bar and the slider, then the work plate. To install the connect bar, it is very difficult too. It requires the assembly engineer with quite high ability, because the connect bar and the shaft is connected by a round screw bar. The round screw bar, it needs to leave a small gap between the connect bar and the round screw. It is called a round screw bar. As you can see that, yeah. So how much distance you have to leave, which can be the best state to install them? We don't know. I don't know. You don't know. But our engineers know that. They know that very well. They can assemble these two parts very well. So that can ensure the working, the smoothly working of the machine. Okay, after that we will install the control panel, and then these buttons, these manual buttons. Okay, so that's all for the installation procedure. After the installation, we will test the machine. We have special engineers for test the machine, for act the test. Okay, let's go inside. How to test the machine? Maybe some manufacturers they don't test the animal at all. But the test is so important. We will do the test step by step. First, we will test the level, flat, if the work plate is flat, and then we will test the vertical, if it is vertical enough. You know, the level and the vertical is very important to ensure the precision of your production line. It can make sure that you can produce the product as your requirement design, as your requirement shape. It makes your products more beautiful, more pretty. And then we will have a stroke test. That is to ensure the pressure, the machine can achieve the pressure that we required. We will make the strokes about make the machine to stroke about 10,000 to 50,000 strokes times to make sure that it can stroke well, stroke stably, and its pressure have already achieved the requirement. Okay, that's all. And you can see that all the tests are active very, very strictly in accordance with Japanese first level inspection standard. We require our engineer to assemble according to international standard and inspect according to Japanese level standard. So that ensures that our products, our machine, can achieve the international level standard. It is in accordance with the European standard, Japanese standard. So don't worry about the quality. No need to worry about the quality. Okay. Now that's all about our factory workshop. Okay, now come here, and it is our factory workshop is very big. You almost see all the area of our factory. So next time, I hope you can come to China and visit our factory, and we will be very happy, very glad to invite you to come here to see our workshop. You can see all the equipment, all the process equipment. It is very complete, quite complete. So welcome to our factory, and next time, see you. Bye bye. Okay.